Join me as I dive deep into the secrets of ASST stock and see if I can expose the hidden gems that everyone else is missing. ASST stocks are a type of investment that's been gaining popularity among investors lately. They're often associated with companies that are working on innovative technologies or products that have the potential to disrupt entire industries. I think that's what draws people to them, the possibility of getting in on the ground floor of something big. One of the biggest misconceptions about ASST stocks is that they're only for experienced investors. I mean, sure, it's true that investing in the stock market can be complex, but that doesn't mean you can't get started with ASST stocks. Another challenge people face is the lack of information. It can be hard to find reliable sources and know what to look for when researching these types of stocks. And then there's the risk factor. ASST stocks can be volatile, which can be intimidating for some investors. Lastly, some people might think that ASST stocks are too speculative, but I believe that's just part of the game. So, what are some of the secrets to success with ASST stocks? One strategy that's worked for me is to focus on companies with strong fundamentals, things like a solid business plan, a talented management team, and a clear vision for the future. It's also important to do your research and stay up to date on industry trends. Of course, there are risks involved, like the potential for market fluctuations and regulatory changes. But if you're smart and strategic, you can mitigate those risks and make some great investments. Identifying good opportunities requires a combination of research, intuition, and experience, and that's something we'll be exploring in more depth as we go along. The most surprising thing I've learned about ASST stocks is just how much of an impact they can have on your portfolio. I mean, think about it, if you get in on a company that's really making waves, you could see some serious growth. But it's not just about making money, it's about being part of something bigger than yourself. When you invest in ASST stocks, you're essentially betting on the future of a particular technology or industry. And that can be a really powerful feeling. What's critical to understand, though, is that ASST stocks aren't a guaranteed win. You have to be smart and strategic in your approach. It's also essential to have a long-term perspective, as these types of investments can be volatile in the short term. To recap, we've covered the basics of ASST stocks, common misconceptions, and some key strategies for success. Understanding ASST stocks is crucial for any investor looking to stay ahead of the game. By doing your research, staying informed, and being smart about your investments, you can unlock the potential of ASST stocks and take your portfolio to the next level. If you've made it this far, I want to hear from you. What do you think about ASST stocks? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about investing and finance, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and insights.